What if one natural compound could lower your blood sugar, melt fat, heal your gut, and slow aging all at once and is scientifically known to show visible results within 60 days? Sounds too good to be true. That's berberine, a powerful plant compound that's not only great for your metabolism but may also protect your liver and boost your energy. Stay tuned because today we are breaking down this metabolic powerhouse. Welcome to the Kronobolic, where we decode the chronicles of metabolism. This video is all about giving you a better idea of how your body works. Nothing too heavy, just some cool science made simple. So, grab a drink, get comfy, and let's explore how metabolism does its thing. A quick outline of what's coming up. What is berberine? Why and how berberine is the magic supplement? Which form of berberine to use? How to use berberine for maximum benefit? And a safety information you must know before taking berberine. Stick around till the end, you don't want to miss this. So, what exactly is berberine? Berberine is a natural compound found in plants like golden seal, berberry, and tree turmeric. It has been used for centuries in traditional Asian medicine to fight infections and aid digestion. But here's the exciting part. Today, modern medicine is revealing that berberine is a game changer when it comes to supporting your metabolism and overall health. At its core, berberine works by activating an enzyme called AMPK, often called your body's metabolic master switch. It's kind of like your body's energy boss. So, berberine is like a helper that wakes up the energy boss AMPK, and AMPK further tells your body to clean things up and get everything running smoothly again. This is one of the main reasons why berberine is so highly regarded. Turning AMPK on brings a lot of metabolic benefits. Now, let's dive into how berberine works its magic on your metabolism and helps your body burn energy more efficiently. Let's start with how berberine affects insulin, blood sugar, and weight loss, all of which are deeply connected. When activated, AMPK boosts your cell's ability to take in and use sugar for energy, helping to lower blood sugar levels. Activated AMPK also helps reduce the amount of sugar your liver produces and boosts your muscles' ability to burn sugar for energy. As blood sugar and insulin levels drop, your body is more likely to switch into fat burning mode, which directly supports weight loss. This process also supports body fat reduction over time and helps improve conditions associated with insulin resistance, such as diabetes, prediabetes, obesity, PCOS, hepatic insulin resistance, and fatty liver. Check out my other video on the glycemic and insulin index, where I explain how insulin levels influence fat storage and weight loss. By supporting better insulin function and energy use, AMPK helps keep your metabolism running smoothly. Research shows that berberine is so effective at lowering blood sugar that its effectivity is comparable to prescription drugs like metformin. New research also suggests that both berberine and prescription drugs like metformin improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose levels, but berberine may also have a broader impact on metabolic health, which we will get to in a moment. Before we dive further, take a second to subscribe. It really helps support the channel and keeps you in the loop with the latest research. Berberine is a strong anti-inflammatory compound. It acts as an antioxidant, reducing excess cell damaging molecules called free radicals. Remember berberine activated AMPK? This activated AMPK reduces the production of excessive inflammatory molecules in your body. Another cool fact, berberine through AMPK further activates autophagy, which is like your body's recycling system. It removes damaged cells and old parts, making room for new, healthy cells. Think of it like your body's self cleaning mode, and by doing that, berberine through AMPK calms the fire of inflammation. Also, insulin resistance itself is associated to promoting inflammation. So, berberine fixing insulin resistance enhances its anti inflammatory quality. Berberine doesn't just stop here. Studies suggest that berberine also has antimicrobial properties that help remove bad bacteria and support the good ones in your gut, which directly helps in reducing gut inflammation. Berberine activated AMPK also helps your gut wall barrier get stronger, which helps your body to not allow harmful substances such as toxins produced by bad bacteria leak into your body through your gut, further helping in controlling inflammatory triggers. Berberine is a perfect example of one fix, many benefits. When berberine improves insulin resistance and reduces inflammation, it doesn't just help with blood sugar, it creates a ripple effect across your whole body. For instance, it's helpful for PCOS, a condition where both insulin resistance and inflammation are root issues. By improving these root issues, berberine also helps lower excessively high androgen levels. This can ease symptoms like acne, hair loss, and ovarian cysts while supporting hormone balance and better ovulation. Now, let's talk about mitochondria, those tiny powerhouses inside your cells responsible for energy production. Berberine activated AMPK helps your mitochondria increase its energy production, which can lead to better endurance and keep energy flowing. Some studies suggest that berberine's ability to enhance endurance may also improve exercise recovery. This mitochondrial boost in energy, along with autophagy, which clears out old damaged cells, triggers another ripple effect that may slow aging, improve brain function, and can potentially contribute to longevity. This is why berberine is catching attention as a budding anti aging compound. Berberine also helps manage cholesterol levels, and that's huge. Research shows that berberine can activate genes and mechanisms in your liver cells that can help pull out bad cholesterol out of your blood and flush it out through your digestive system. Also, berberine activated AMPK can decrease fat production in liver and increase fat burning, and more importantly, improve hepatic or liver related insulin resistance. This is another ripple effect of berberine. By improving insulin sensitivity, reducing inflammation, and promoting fat burning in the liver, berberine helps prevent the buildup of excess fat in the liver. This makes berberine a promising supplement for people at risk of developing non alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition closely linked to obesity and insulin resistance, and can cause more severe liver diseases if left unchecked. Also, by supporting fat metabolism and improving insulin sensitivity, berberine can help with your weight loss goals and reduction in overall body fat percentage. Not all forms of berberine are the same, and choosing the right one can have a significant impact on absorption and effectiveness. Here are the most common forms of berberine. Berberine HCl. This is the most common and researched form of berberine. It's affordable and effective, but has limited absorption on its own. It's best for those looking for general metabolic support or blood sugar control. Berberine phytosome. This form of berberine is combined with a fat molecule called phospholipid, which makes berberine more bioavailable. That means it's more easily absorbed by your body. It is great for individuals who experience digestive issues with standard berberine or those who want maximized absorption of berberine. Berberine works even better when combined with other supplements. Some famous combos include berberine with milk thistle for those focusing on both insulin and liver health benefits, berberine with ALA for those focusing on insulin, anti-aging and enhanced mitochondrial function, berberine with curcumin for those focusing on insulin, anti-inflammatory and gut health benefits. Now, how do you use berberine for maximum benefit? The typical dose is 500 mg 2 to 3 times per day. The best time to take berberine is 30 minutes before meals as it gives better results for blood sugar spikes and insulin resistance. Begin with one dose per day and gradually increase to assess how your body responds, especially if you are new to berberine. Pro tip: for weight loss, pair berberine supplement with the strategies we discussed in my other video on glycemic and insulin index. And for gut health, for 2 to 3 weeks, use berberine alongside probiotics. Here's a visual showing the typical time frame for berberine benefits. Remember, results depend on diet, activity level, individual metabolism, and baseline health. Loving the breakdown so far? Then, if you haven't already, tap that subscribe button. Berberine is one of the few supplements that's been validated by both traditional medicine and modern science. Whether you're looking to manage insulin resistance, lose weight, improve gut health, or even slow down aging, berberine is worth considering. Savvy step: get some blood tests run before starting berberine. You will likely see big improvements in a few months. Important safety info: before starting berberine or any new supplement, always check the recommended dosage on the package. And consult with a medical professional, especially if you're already taking medications or consume anything that tends to extremely lower your blood sugar levels, as having these along with berberine may lead to hypoglycemia. That is, dangerously low blood sugar levels, which is not good and may even cause fainting. Remember, everyone's body and diets are different, so it's always best to get personalized medical advice on starting any supplement. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, then please do like it and subscribe to the channel for more science backed insights on metabolism. Drop a comment below if you have tried Berberine or have any suggestions on what else I should cover next. See you in the next video.